The stock market, also known as the stock exchange or share market, is a marketplace where publicly traded company stocks are bought and sold. It is a key indicator of the health of a country's economy and can be a great way for individuals to invest and potentially make a profit. When you purchase a stock, you become a shareholder of that company and are entitled to a small portion of its ownership. The value of your stock will increase or decrease based on the performance of the company and the overall market conditions. There are two main types of stock markets: primary markets and secondary markets. In a primary market, new stocks are issued by companies looking to raise capital. In a secondary market, existing stocks are bought and sold by investors. The majority of stock trading takes place in secondary markets, such as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the Nasdaq.
When investing in the stock market, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. This includes analyzing the financial health of the company, industry trends, and market conditions. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in different companies and industries can also help to reduce risk. Learning about the stock market can be a great way to become more informed about investments and potentially make a profit. Here are a few steps to help you get started. Research the basics. Start by learning the basics of the stock market, such as how it works, different types of stocks, and key terms and concepts. Read books and articles. Read books and articles written by experts in the field to gain a deeper understanding of the stock market and different investment strategies. Follow market news. Keep up to date with market news and analysis by following financial news outlets such as Bloomberg and Wall Street Journal and subscribing to newsletters and podcasts.